Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss very important 100 questions from the botany area. Question number 1, father of plant tissue culture is option A, Haberland. Father of botany is, the answer is B, Theophrastus. The question number 3, father of genetics is, the answer is Mendel. Father of zoology is option D, Aristotle. Question number 5, segregation occur during, option A, the answer is meiosis 1. The longest mitotic phase is option C, the answer is prophase. Physical basis of life is option B, the answer is protoplasm. The site of protein synthesis is option A, ribosome. Question number 9, fat metabolism occur in peroxisome, option D. Question number 10, alternative form of gene is known as option C, allele. Question number 11, theory of natural selection was proposed by Darwin. Question number 12, a gene affecting more than one character is known as pleiotropy, option C. Question number 13, DIFT23A induce male sterility in pearl millet sorghum, the answer is C, both. Question number 14, theory of accurate characters was proposed by Lamarck. Question number 15, pure line is a, option A, homozygous cross. Question number 16, a hybrid is a, option B, homozygous heterozygous cross. Question number 17, cell is discovered by, option A, Robert Hooke. Question number 18, DNA synthesis takes place during the phase, option A, S phase. Question number 19, tetrad formation takes place in, option A, prophase. Chiasmata formation takes place in, option A, prophase. Question number 21, glycolysis occurs in, option B, cytoplasm. Question number 22, glycolysis occurs in, option B, cytoplasm. Monosomic indicates, option A, 2n-1. Trisomic indicates, option B, 2n+1. Question number 25, nullisomic indicates, option C, 2n-2. Tetrasomic indicates, option D, 2n+2. Chiasmata scene takes place in, option B, diplotin. Question number 28, test cross indicates, option A, F1X recessive. Question number 29, cell theory is given by, option C, Sladen, Sweden. Question number Sladen and Swan. Question number 30, prokaryotes have a ribosome, option A, 70S. Eukaryotes have ribosome, option B, 8S. Centrioles are absent in, question number answer A, plant cell. Centrioles are absent in plant cell. Question number 33. Formation of chromosomes in transmission of heredity is given by option D. Morgan. Apomixis is the development of seed without a option A. fertilization. Parthenocarpy is the development of dash without fertilization. Option A. Fruit. Parthenocarpy is the development of option A without fertilization. Option A. Fruit. Question number 36. Back cross indicates option B. F1X parents. Question number 41. Monohybrids have phenotypic ratio option A 3:1. DNA contains following number of nitrogenous base option C 4. Animal and plant cell can be differentiated by option C presence absence of cell wall. Presence or absence of the cell wall based animal and plant cell can be differentiated. Question number 44. In temperate countries, sugar is generally obtained from which of the following crops? Option B. Sugar beet. Question number 46. The idea of particulate nature of inheritance was given by option B. Mendel. Cultivated rice Oryza sativa has the following numbers of chromosome. Option C 2n minus 24. Question number 47. In the presence of sunlight, CO2 and H2O and converted into carbohydrates, this is known as photosynthesis. Soil productivity takes place into account of the following. Option C soil fertility. Question number 49. If chromosomes complement of two diploid species is combined in one, the recent species would be, the answer is A. ampidiploid. Question number 50. Alternative form of gene at the same locus are referred to as option A. allele. Question number 51. Sequence of growing crops in the place of land is known as option B. crop rotation. Question number 52. India has to provide for its population. Question number B. 1 billion. Question number 53. In diploid species, generally a following number of the chromosomes are involved in the pollen mitosis. Option C 1n. Sulfur fungicide can be freely used on all vegetable except the following. D. cucurbits. Kernel bent is a serious disease of C. wheat. Zinc is required for the synthesis of option A. tryptophan. Question number 57. Counter system of orchard planting in generally followed in C. hills. NARS refers to option D. National Agricultural Research System. Question number 59. Crossing over during meiosis results in A. breaking linkage. Question number 60. The simplest measure of variability in data set is A. ranges. Question number 61. India has to provide for its population. Option D. 1 million. Question number 57. Counter system of orchid planting is generally followed in C. hills. already we have discussed. Question number 62. The first artificial plant hybrid was produced by option C. Thomas Fairchild. Question number 63. Fairchild Muley was produced from a cross between option B. Sweet William Carnations. Question number 64. Fairchild produced the first artificial hybrid in 1717. Louis de Vilmorin worked in option C. France. The pure line theory first proposed in option C. 1903. 67. Stamens in flower described by option A. Greaves. Kishari contains a neurotoxic compound as BOAA. Question number 69. Rice varieties IR87 in the TN1 Lulus introduced in India during B option 1966. Question number 70. The number of National Bureau under ICAR is option B 6. Question number 71. The father of Indian Green Revolution is A. Swaminathan. Question number 72. Mass selection is always based on option B phenotypic. 73. The number of National Bureau under ICAR is 6. Question number 74. The Veery series of wheat varieties developed by option A. S. Rajaram. The question 73 already it's repeated. Question number 75. CIMMYT is located at Mexico. Option B. Question number 76. Daijang Native 1 was developed in option C. Taiwan. Question number 77. The number of National Research Center under ICAR is C. Option C. Answer is 28. The 78 question number. Between mitotic division, the cell is in DS phase. Question number 79. Which of the following is a carrier host for new genus? Option B. Bacteriophage. Question number 80. Francis Chakoff and Monod proposed option C. Opron hypothesis. Question number 81. Which of the following vector is suitable for DNA sequence? Option C. M13. Question number 82. The organelle that functions in the breakdown of cells and tissue is the answer is D. Lysosomes. Question number 83. Dwarfing gene in wheat is B. Naurin. Question number 84. Origin place of soybean is option C. China. Question number 85. Dash estimated that incompatibility occurs in more than 3,000 species among 20 families of the flowering plants. Option C. Highs. Question number 86. Dash provides the best documented example of long time effect of selections. Answer is B. Sugar beet. Question number 87. The second 2n denotes option B. Number of type of gametes produced by F1. Question number 88. Dash in Ladino Glover is governed by two dominant alleles. One produces cyanogenic glycoside while the other releases the enzymes to catalyze it release from glycoside. The answer is HCN. Question number 89. Days are example of protandrons species. Protandron species. Option C, carrot. Question number 90. Origin of species by means of natural selections was given by option C, Charles Darwin. Question number 95. A conditions in which pollination and fertilization takes place in an unopened flower is termed as option D, pleistogamy. Question number 96. A cross inheritance is shown by option C, sex linked character. Question number 97. A hybrid is option B, a hybrid formed by cell fusion. Question number 98. A fruit which develops from an inflorescence is known as option C, composite fruits. Question number 99. A generative nucleus in the male gametophyte divide dash to form two male gametes. Option A, mitotically. Question number 100. A homozygous line developed by self-fertilization in a cross-pollinated graph is termed as option B, inbreed. Thank you for your watching.